Y'all, Joe here, Southern Coast Cooking, coming at you. Now, it's been a while since I've done a video, and trust me, I got some cooking videos coming up. I just got the Yoder fixed again. It's ready to roll, hopefully this weekend. Got some friends coming over. We're gonna do a big crawfish boil, got a new propane tank, all sort of stuff. But here's some other new gear I really had to do a video on, wanted to show you guys. These are supposed to be the ultimate cooler. These are Sovaro brand coolers. They make a 45 quart, a 30 quart, I believe it is, and a 75 quart. I've got the 45 quart here and the 75 quart. The 30 quart is on the way. It got kind of caught up in the mail, but that's okay. I just want to open these bad boys for you guys right here and just show you what we're talking about. I mean, these things are supposed to be the ultimate. And just don't use a blade to open. They're made here in the USA. I'll put a link down in the description box. Look at that, how they come in that bag and everything. Y'all just wait till you see this. Like I said, this is the big boy. This is the 75 quart right here. Look at this. Oh, wow. Look at that. All right. Get this up out of the box somewhat for you guys. Quality here. Already. Wait, set up here. So let's just get this bad boy up out of here. Get the box out of the way. And let's see what we're dealing with. Let me get something set up on so y'all see a little bit better. My wife was even saying she's never seen a cooler come in a dust bag like this. But I tell you, I mean, these coolers, oh my word. I want to make sure I've got it sitting the right way. This is the back of the, oh, that's the back. Okay, I'm going to turn around for y'all. Just this presentation here, you know, the first look. I mean, I'm just in awe. But just, yeah, look at that. There's the writing on the dust bag. Keep that dust bag, you know, for more. I mean, look at this finish, y'all. It's like a classic automobile. Look at that beautiful silver and white. You peel all this back. Oh my word. Let's get this one. Yeah, we got to peel all this. We got film. Oh no, look. Y'all come here, look at this. Oh my word. Look at that, y'all. That is corkwood. Look on the inside, inlaid in like a, what do you call that? Gosh, acrylic liner. Absolutely beautiful. They say in this one you can put 18 bottles of champagne stacked straight up and down. You got this little divider right here. Look at that. Is that not absolutely gorgeous? Look, comes this magazine right here. See, 70, 45, and 30 quart. Style and sophistication. Absolutely beautiful cooler. So we're gonna get this other one open, but my gosh, I am blown away by just the sheer elegance of this cooler here. I want to show you about this one. They do have wheels, nice rubber wheels on the back. I just noticed this, and it's got a big handle where you can carry it around down the dock or whatever. Super nice. That's still that big one. Y'all, this is the 45, and on the 45, they went with a different color pattern. They went with the white with the gold. Well, at least I did. You could choose that. There's black even, but the same as the large. You've got your little handle right there. Pick on down. Still put the large, you know, size champagne bottles. Anything like that. They've all got serial number. I mean, look at those hinges. Absolutely beautiful. We'll flip it around. See the back. Oh, and look, you can see the gold inlaid into the cork, or on the other one, it's the silver. So, you know, some people might like this color better, some people like the other one. This one's actually, I was trying to tell my wife there, this one's actually gold on white, and I think I like it a little bit better with the accents. So let's flip the golden one around. Let's see the back. Same thing, got the wheels back here. Oh, with the gold handle. That's absolutely beautiful, y'all. So, yeah, that's definitely something I'm looking forward to. And this is probably the main size that we'll be using on the day-to-day basis as we stroll the beach and things like that and go to the condos. So, again, these coolers are not cheap whatsoever. I'll put a link, but if you enjoy the lifestyle of going to the beach and, you know, boating and stuff like that, it is an investment. So, we're very happy and blessed to have these, and we just can't wait to try them out. And I'll show y'all the smaller one when we get here. But anyway, yeah, just gonna let y'all know. And thank you so much. Please like my videos, sub my channel. God bless, and y'all have a good one.